As an upcoming content creator, how do you do your voiceovers when you live in a noisy environment? Good day, my people. Get ready with me as a copper and a content creator going to Happy PE. Back to my question. How do you do your voiceovers when you live in a noisy environment? Now, I currently live in a copper's lodge provided by the community I serve. Someone would say, why don't I find a time when nobody is around to do my voiceovers? What perfect time do I have? I work during the day as well and come back in the evening. That's the only time I have to edit my video and of course do a voiceover. But by then the lodge is already filled up with people and always very noisy. How do I go about this? I really want to know how you guys navigate through this. Please, I would like to know in the comment section. So today, before going to work, I had my breakfast and I had eba, of course. I went to go fix my nails on my way going back home. I had to go back barefooted so that I won't spoil it, and the place wasn't far from my house. And when I got home, I was so hungry that I had to eat cassava flakes and floating berries and some milk, of course. Come back, join me, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.